Hello. Welcome to JTV EDU. Today we are going to learn how to draw the beloved character Snorlax with this easy-to-follow tutorial using Sharpie markers. Follow along as our expert artist takes you step by step through the process of creating a lifelike Snorlax drawing. From drawing the basic body shape to adding detailed fur texture and shading, you'll learn all the tips and tricks to make your Snorlax drawing stand out. With the help of black, light, and white Sharpie markers, you'll be amazed at how easily you can bring Snorlax to life on paper. Perfect for beginners and fans of all ages, this tutorial will leave you with a completed Snorlax drawing that's sure to impress. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.